Today, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on Windows 11, step by step. If you follow along, you'll have this essential PDF reader set up in just a few minutes, ready to open, read, and even interact with any PDF document out there. Let's dive right in so you can get started. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open your preferred web browser. Most folks use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. They both work perfectly for this. Once your browser is open, head to Google. You can do this by typing google.com in the address bar or clicking on your usual homepage shortcut. If this is your first time adding new software, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. Now, at the top of Google's homepage, you'll see the familiar search bar. Here, type in Download Adobe Acrobat. This is the quickest way to find the official download page, and it helps you avoid any sketchy third-party sites. Adobe's genuine website is always the safest source, since downloading from anywhere else can put your computer at risk for unwanted programs or even malware. Once you hit enter, Google will bring up a list of search results. Here's where you want to slow down for a second. Look carefully at the links and locate the official Adobe page, which is getadobe.com. You might see a few ads or other links at the top, but the one you need should be clearly marked, often right below the ads with the description, Download Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Clicking the right link matters. It's your guarantee that you're getting the correct, latest version with all the updates and security features. Now, on the Adobe site, you'll see a big banner or a prominent button that says Download Acrobat Reader. Go ahead and click that button. Some browsers might prompt you to confirm the download or ask where you want to save the installer file. I recommend just saving it to your default downloads folder. That way you can find it easily when you're ready for installation. If your browser or your computer asks you for permission to proceed, don't worry, this is normal when downloading a program. Just confirm and let the download commence. The Acrobat Reader installer is usually a small file, so your download shouldn't take long, maybe a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, locate the file. It'll typically be named something like AcroRDRDC.exe. Double-click it to begin the installation process. Here, you might see a window pop up asking you to confirm that you want to run this program. Again, this is just Windows being cautious, making sure you're in control of what's installed on your system. Confirm, and the installer will guide you through the necessary steps. Follow the instructions in the installer, accepting the license agreement and choosing your preferences as needed. After the installation wraps up, you'll have Adobe Acrobat Reader DC ready to use on your Windows 11 computer, and you can finally open, print, or annotate PDFs without hassle. It's one of the most reliable tools out there for handling PDF documents, whether you're working, studying, or just managing personal paperwork. If you ran into any hiccups or want advice on using Acrobat Reader's features, drop your questions in the comments. I check them regularly and love helping out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials to make your tech life easier. Thanks for watching, and happy PDF reading.